Hey guys, this is Glenn for G&P Custom Fabrications, and today I'm taking Sketchy out for test drive number 2. I believe I have the death wobble fixed. Sorry Mom, that's what it's called. And just a quick, I'll share that with you real quick. Well, I'll share you after the video starts. Okay, so what I found out, I'd always heard that you wanted to toe in 1/8 of an inch. That was always gospel. That was what you had to do to get straight axles to work right. However, on this particular axle, and I don't know if it's because it's an RV axle or because it's made to have a lot more weight on it, it actually has what I believe is negative camber. Whichever it is that the wheels are actually setting outward, they tilt out at top instead of tilting in. If they're tilting in, then that would make sense that you would want a little toe in, because then that would help hold it straight. But since they're tilted out, you actually want it towed out. So that's what I did. I gave it an 1/8 inch toe out, and we'll see how it does. I've got some cameras set up today. I'm going to try for the full GoPro experience. Got my side one here, which if there is any more death wobble, again, sorry Mom, that's what it's called, it'll catch it, give good footage of that. And should I get brave and do another burnout, I got a burnout camera that I'll try to remember to turn on. I know the battery's low on it, so I don't have it going yet. And then I'll have a driver's POV camera here. Hopefully it'll catch something worth looking at. And that's it. So let's get this show on the road. awful close. I definitely could go twice as fast before I got it, but it definitely felt different than it did the first time. So we'll see. All right, I'm gonna try that again. Adjust it out another, about full 1/4 inch. Reaching for my seatbelt, so I'll have to do that. my crankcase. I need to get a vacuum source to it. Because once I get my air breathers, my air filters, I plan on running a cord into there. I don't think I saw quite 10 pounds of boost, but I definitely saw at least probably about 7.5 pounds. So I'm pretty. You can tell I'm excited again. So I'll go ahead and leave it there for now. This is Glenn for G&P Custom Fabrications. Living the dream till the freaking phone rings. Thanks for watching.